Today, I'm going to show you how to receive your Telegram login codes by email, a super helpful feature if you ever need a backup way to access your account, or if you want to make sure you don't miss important login alerts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your email as a recovery option, so getting those codes quickly and securely is a breeze. Alright, let's jump right in. Start by opening up the Telegram app on your phone or your computer, whatever you prefer. Once you're in, tap the menu icon and head straight to Settings. Next, look for the section called Privacy and Security. Sometimes these menus can look a little different depending on your device, but you'll usually find it near the top or about halfway down the list. Now, if you haven't set a password for your Telegram account yet, the app will prompt you to do so. Go ahead and pick a password that's easy for you to remember but hard for anyone else to guess. This isn't just a random step. Adding a password here makes sure your account stays secure, especially since we're about to connect your email for recovery. Now here, where the magic happens. In that same Privacy and Security section, you'll see an option to set up email recovery. Tap on that, and Telegram will ask you to enter your email address. Be sure to use an email you have access to. Think of it as a spare key to your Telegram door. After you've typed it in, double-check for typos. It's a small detail, but hey, we're all human, and you don't want your backup code getting lost in cyberspace. Go ahead and press Save or Confirm. Telegram may take a moment here to process your request. This is totally normal. Think of it like the app quietly making sure it can trust this new email connection. Once you've saved the changes, the app will send a confirmation code to the email address you just set. Why this step? Well, it's Telegram's way of making sure it's really you who's adding the email and not someone else. So don't worry if there's a small delay. Sometimes email delivery can take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed or email provider. Now hop over to your email inbox. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or junk folders. It sometimes likes to hide in there. When the Telegram email arrives, you'll see a special code inside. Copy that code carefully and head back into Telegram. Here, you'll need to paste the code, confirming that the email really belongs to you and linking it with your Telegram account. It's almost like fitting a puzzle piece perfectly into place. This step officially lets Telegram know that it can trust your email for sending important codes. After you've pasted in the code, just hit Confirm. And that's it, you're all set. From now on, whenever you need to recover your Telegram account or verify a new device, Telegram can send a code straight to your email. This is especially handy if you ever lose access to your phone number or just want an extra layer of security. If you followed along step by step, you've made your Telegram a lot more secure and convenient. Nicely done. If you have any questions or get stuck anywhere, drop a comment down below. I'm always here to help out. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.